Hey there, and welcome to Hell of a Homestead. Today we are going to be tilling the garden. I tried to do it myself with the rake and it did not turn out well, like you saw in the last episode. If you've seen that, you can watch it on my channel. But today we're going to be tilling the area. A lot of grass is growing because it's been rained a couple days in a row. So we're going to try this tiller out and see how it goes. I'm also in all red. I understand that. It was just a mishap. It just happened, okay? We're in red. All red. Deal with it. What? 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 Wow. I should have done that a long time ago. But it's tilled, now I need to level it. So I scooped all the dirt away from the edge because I'm going to be doing the brick edging soon. So I think we're going to do one more till around the perimeter and then I'm going to be done. I'm like sweating so bad. All right, let's do this. That's it for today. I did a lot of work and I deserve a nice cold beverage. Next video will be me putting down the bricks. So I think we have enough for the perimeter, but I think I still need to buy more for the beds themselves. You'll see that in the next video. So I'll see you guys later. People wouldn't believe me if I told them what I found in this garden.